In our first lesson, we learned about individual numbers. Now we will learn about ordered pairs of numbers. By the word ordered, all we mean is that we want to keep track of which number is first and which is second. We will use variables x and y for our pair of numbers and keep track of them in alphabetical order, x, then y. Remember, we used a real number line to visualize a number. Now that we have two numbers to keep track of, we need two number lines. This is called the coordinate plane. The x number line is called the x-axis, and the y number line is called the y-axis. Let's look at an example where the coordinate plane helps us visualize a pair of numbers. The pair of numbers 1, 3 can be represented as a point on the coordinate plane. That goes right 1 along the x direction and up 3 along the y-axis. As a second example, the pair of numbers -2, 2 can be represented as a point on the coordinate plane as the point that goes left -2 along the x-axis and up 2 along the y-axis. When we talked about numbers, we talked about sets of numbers. Similarly, for ordered pairs of numbers, we can have sets of ordered pairs of numbers. We define a relation as a set of ordered pairs of numbers. The set of ordered pairs, -3, 2, -1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, -2, is an example of a relation. We can represent our relation on our coordinate plane. To do this, we simply plot the points -3, 2, -1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, -2. A second example of a relation is the set of ordered pairs 1, 4, -2, 3, 1/2 -2, and 1, 1. Again, we can represent this relation on our coordinate plane by plotting the points 1, 4, -2, 3, 1/2 -2, and 1, 1. In our examples so far, the relations have had a finite set of ordered pairs. But sometimes our relation has infinitely many ordered pairs. In this case, it is easier to only represent the relation graphically, instead of writing them in a list. For example, the set of ordered pairs on the circle of radius 2 and center at the origin is a relation, because it's a set of ordered pairs. Our last example of a relation is the set of ordered pairs on the graph. We can define this set as all the pairs of numbers x and y so that y equals x squared minus 2x plus 3.